You see, my bed is made.
I see your bed is made. I'm so proud of you.
It's kind of made.
Kind of made.
Yeah.
Look at that. Well, that looks pretty snazzy, which is good because she still has the maze where she doesn't actually want me to get close to the bed or anything else in her room. So, do you have a word of wisdom today?
Word of wisdom today.
Well, we don't have all day.
Words of wisdom.
Or an interesting tidbit about yourself.
Interesting too. Yeah, I don't have words of wisdom spouting off my head immediately. Not like God.
Not like God.
Yeah, he has words of wisdom. Just have to open the book.
Yeah. You find all the words of wisdom that you need.
Yeah. Somehow we don't like to open the book. We people. Yeah, we want to do it our own way. We don't want anybody telling us how to live.
Yeah.
Or how not to live.
God decides.
He tells us in his book, his words of wisdom.
Yes.
And we don't like it.
We're like rebellious teenagers who don't like the rules at home.
Yeah, we want to do it our way.
Or rebellious grown-ups who don't like...
And then we get in trouble and then we blame him.
Yeah. Well.
Because we got in trouble. Huh. Why didn't he save us from ourselves? Because he gave us free will.
Yeah.
So is that enough for today? When are you going to start your John series again?
Not.
Why? You didn't finish it, did you?
What John series?
Gospel of John?
Oh, that John series.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, I didn't finish it. One of these days I'll get it started up again.
Hasn't anybody said they missed it?
No, not one person. Oh. Except Ethel.
Ethel did, yeah.
It's time to check on the plants that are sitting in here on the warming mats and in the covers, and I can see that I have some things that are popping up here. So I'm going to pull everything down and we're going to have a look at it, add any dirt if we need to, add any water if we need to, and just see what's going on with all of these plants. So let's take a look. Okay, so what you see here are two of my seeds from last week, and I'm not sure if these are pumpkin or melon. I think these are the melon, but you can see that these two plants have very quickly outgrown their home. So I am going to just as quickly, before their roots get too tangled together, you know, I still like the idea of twining them around and allowing them to grow for a while inside so that hopefully I have better luck with them when I put them outside. But I think that if I leave them in the same pot, they're quickly going to be fighting for space. So I'm going to split those up very, very carefully. Noticed before that I line my pots. Okay, this is just an ice cream bucket. And Dave eats a lot of ice cream, so we always have a lot of those. You might have noticed that I was putting coffee filters in there. And I do that it keeps the dirt down and it helps to provide an absorbent pad at the bottom of there. You might have noticed that I was struggling with that, and that is because I was trying to get them separated, which admittedly is a pain. But you know what? I spent a long time making coffee in stores and restaurants and bars over the years, and there is a trick to really easily just splitting these coffee filters. All you gotta do is just flip them inside out and you'll see, look at that. They're just easily pulled one by one now. So it's just a little trick for you. Should you decide that you like that too. Like I'm doing a lot of growing inside, and so one of the things I like is that it keeps my dirt from kind of running out the bottom of my pots. So I'm not having that issue. So okay, so I'm just going to, I hope you can see this, what I'm doing. I'm just going to very gently, oh, where's my little shovel? I'm going to very gently tease this out. Well, I guess we should take a look all at once at everything. So my Mountain Merit, all 5 of them have come up. And my other, I think that's the David Donaldson tomato, all 4 of them came up, but look at how leggy they are under those lights. But I mean, I guess that's okay because now I can add a bunch of dirt in there and let them come up a little further. And then here's that little squash that I planted. And it looks good. And we've got a few of our marigolds that have come up. And some of the huckleberries have come up. But none of the blackberries yet. So I'm going to put the blackberries back in on the heat. So I'm going to put the blackberries back up there on the heating tray, and some of these other ones that haven't sprouted yet, I'll put them back up on the heating tray as well, and we'll go from there. I think the other ones I'll leave up there with just off of the heating tray because I think the light is still good. I might turn the light up to brighter. And we'll see. I might have to move everything a little bit closer to the light. So I might have to bring in, I don't know, like a cardboard box or something to put on there to raise them up a little bit more. Because those starts got awfully leggy. I mean, they're tomato starts, so it's actually a good thing that they get leggy because every little bit of that stem is going to shoot roots out as soon as you put dirt around it. So, you know, that is a good thing. But yeah, they really got leggy in there. And it could have been because I had those heat mats on 24/7 too. I wonder, are you supposed to turn those on and off? I don't know, but if you watch this video and you have an answer to that question, I would certainly appreciate it. So I guess that's my update for today, an hour update for today. I'm going to call it a day on this and get this video downloaded and uploaded and edited and downloaded and edited and uploaded and all that fun stuff so that we can share this with you. I am aiming to try to put out some daily content for a while. So some of it's just going to be sharing our life with us, and this is what I'm doing today, and thanks for coming along with me. I hope that you have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. Bye now.